It's KK Magic Time! Hi, I'm Katarina.
And I'm Cassandra.
And today we are making yarn dolls.
People have been making yarn dolls for over 300 years.
Pioneer children couldn't buy toys, so they made their own with whatever they could find.
The supplies needed for this project is scissors, yarn, and something to wrap it around with. We're using slates which pioneer kids used instead of books or paper.
Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is wrap the yarn around the slate. This doll is a 50 wraps. This doll is 100 wraps. And this doll is 150 wraps. The more you wrap, the bigger doll you get.
It's easier to just twist it and keep it on the floor. And if you want extra, you just pull the end and then you just start twisting. And if it starts rolling away, you can just let it go.
I think I'm done.
I'm almost done. Maybe soon, let's tie them off.
Let's tie off. Cut a piece of string to use as a tie. Then put it underneath your yarn and tie it in a square knot. It's best to have a friend to help you.
And
Then you're gonna cut, not the string, the bottom. Then you're gonna cut on the opposite side. Go.
First, you might want to cut on the opposite side. It's much easier than just pulling it off.
If you missed a little, do it again. Okay, I'm ready. I'll just take you.
Wait, why is
There.
where is yeah?
Then cut another piece of string. Then smooth out your yarn.
Wow.
Then
It's nice to hold
you're
the
gonna
other
make
end.
your head.
You fold it over.
Yes.
Grab a piece of
Of
string.
Yarn, not string.
I have a piece of string under here, but I don't
Then you're
know
gonna
where
tie
it is.
your head. I think I already said that. And make sure you do it the size that you want your head to be. I'm gonna do my head like that. Okay? We pre-cut some pieces of yarn, and now we're going to be making the arms, the legs, and the torso. First,
You take a few bits, too big, a few bits that will be the size of your arm.
you
It's
could
starting to
braid
take
your
shape.
arms, or tie some pieces to make it like a shoulder, an elbow, and the wrist. Or you could just braid, like I said again.
I'll make my shoulders first.
I'll do braids.
So we have finished our arms, and now we're gonna cut off the axis arms and do the torso. I like rounding the edges of my hands to make them look more like hands.
Now we're going to be making the torso. First, you need a long piece of string and a partner. Cassandra, can you hold the head for me?
Okay, Betsy.
Then you're
I'll
going to be
hold the
tying your
Oh,
torso
wait,
where
sorry.
you want it.
Pull all these down.
Then tie it in a double knot.
Thank you. Now, I'll
You
do
want to
this.
tie it, or
You tie it. You're the tie-in master, Mo. Nope, a little bit lower. There.
it's time to make the legs, but I'm going to be making a skirt.
I am going to be making legs. I've done the legs of my dog, and now it's time to trim the ends.
I left mine hanging so it looked like a skirt, and I added hair. Thank you for watching KK Magic Time. Please subscribe, please press that like button, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Hi, what's your name? My name's No Hair, but I soon will have hair.
Oh, cool. You want to play?
Yeah.
Let's dance!